Series ang napanood natin, and it took 7 games to find out kung sino ang tinanghal na kampiyon in the Season 50 Commissioner's Cup of your PBA. Una sa lahat, gusto namin magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. Tonight, 24,617 of you watched. And now, before we crown our champions, let's also applaud the team that left everything they had on the court. Palakpakan po natin ang inyong runners-up, the TNT Tropang 5G. As we call on our runners-up, we invite, of course, our PBA Commissioner, Mr. Willie Marshall, and PBA Chairman, Mr. Ricky Vargas, to help award our runners-up. Once again, give it up for your runners-up in the 50th Season Commissioner's Cup, TNT Tropang 5G. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga parte ng Tropang 5G. It was definitely a finals to remember. Once again, your runners-up, the TNT Tropang 5G. At this point, we'd like to request Commissioner Willie Marshall and Chairman Ricky Vargas to stay on stage as we now welcome the champions of the 50th Season PBA Commissioner's Cup, your Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Number 1, Troy Rosario. Number 2, Jeremiah Gray. Number 4, RJ Abarientos. Number 9, Scotty Thompson. Number 10, John Arts Pinto. Number 11, Isaac Go. Number 14, Stephen Holt. Number 18, Ralph Gu. Number 22, John Abbis. Number 23, Raymond Aguilar. Number 24, Jason David. Number 25, Japet Aguilar. Number 29, Norbert Torres. Number 33, Kemar Carino. Number 34, Sonny Estil. And number 32, Justin Noipi Brownlee. Barangay Ginebra San Miguel is coached by head coach Tim Cohn with assistant coaches Richard Del Rosario, Olsen Racela, Patrick Partosa, Johnny Abarientos, and Jamil Lipae. Assistant team manager is Mr. Raymond